Caneland Avenue.
Me the woman and me bed a whole a made so full of comfort. Me meditation got disturbed by gunshot. Peep to me when I see a youth lie down flat. Blood a leak out of him head like gravy from the lunchbox. People a gather scatter shuffle like card pack. Here from the shorter Steve, my son Gerard drop. The young G get him card pop. Him mother turn up at the scene from which she get a hard knock. Boy, I saw another mother ball out. When she see her son pan the ground sprawl out. Out of him brain him look marrow fall out. Jesus Christ name she a call out. 2018, you know?
Welcome to Lightfoot TV at the right place, so let's start. Don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lion, speak up on yourself. Blessed Thursday, we have to give thanks to life. Each and every day we wake up saying, yes, my guidance and protection. Anyone there upon you and your family, your loved ones. Big up everybody on the platform. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, make yourself at home. Please consider subscribing, click the bell. And remember, life is the greatest. Cherish each moment, Zane. Because, boy, I tell you, say, we don't know when we last day on earth. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Jano Star is a sad one, this. Jacqueline Anne-Marie Smith, otherwise known as Ann, big promoter, party promoter, saying, I don't know a Brownie mother. This vlog is sponsored by Brownie Mechanic, big up yourself Brownie. I don't know the 8th-year anniversary, remembrance, celebration, you know what I mean, of Ann, Zane. The date of the 27th of January 2023, location in South London, time from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. Tickets £10. For more information, please call 0794002-78740 or 0777-029-3337. The number is on the screen. As you may say, music by London's finest. No smoking will be permitted, I don't know. Yeah, man, just roll out and come pay your respect and show your support, you know what I mean, to Anne and Memorial, see? You know, Anne support dancehall, public figure in a dancehall, and to support a lot of promoters, see? So make it, put it in your diary and make it a priority, the 27th of January 2023, see? Yeah, man. I don't know, Anne Memorial. You know what I say? Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying if you're still here that show so care. This vlog is sponsored by Brownie Mechanic. I said the 27th of January 2023. God spare our lives. Remember, look up for Anne Memorial. Zane, it's a year-to-year thing. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Brownie. Now, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see on the screen, update father to be, you know what I mean, KILLED by 1 day before baby's due date. So, the youth are generally... First, I'm sending out condolence to the family members of, you know, this disease. You see me? 1 day before his baby was due to born, boy, life gone. Sad situation. So sad. It's not nice. Can you hear the concern in my voice? Crime and violence on the rise. Yes, man. So this youth hail from one part of Westmoreland, seeing, and me I say John Oster, why try to big up yourself? Sad, my viewers and subscribers. You know, read the story. Sad, you know. Yeah, man. As you can see on the screen, you know. A Westmoreland family is left heartbroken after their relative was MURDERED 1 day shy of becoming a father. John Oster, how sad is that? Oh, you know what I mean? How broken is that? You know, what a tragedy, man. 1 day before his baby born. I know how him supposed to feel glad himself, you know, say, yo, you are born tomorrow, and they in the hospital, you know, watch when time, you know, the mother give birth, you know. You see me? Big up all who experience happy feeling. Let me experience it. You know what I mean? Yeah. And me I tell you, say, you know, it's not a normal feeling still, but a great experience to watch your son born. You see me? But my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, or your daughter too, yeah. But my viewers and subscribers, this is so sad. I don't know why this happened. I don't know why, you know, if it mix up or not or what, but we just want to say condolence. And boy, me I tell you, say, you know, his brother say him go check on him, you know. I reach into the yard and I call him, I say, yo, so, and him not hear no answer. When him look, him see the door, he saw the door open. Zine, so him going to go look, and that's where he found his brother with multiple gunshot wounds to the body and the head, you know. And it's so sad, man. Sad. No, the baby there, I forgot born now without a dad around, you know. Jaja, wickedness.
Violence are increase. The youths them find it hard to live in peace. Every day someone bloodshed on the streets. Every day someone lie dead on the cold concrete.
So this brother you never know say I'm last day on earth. Me no know. You see me? Me no know why a man would have just want to dirt somebody in a them bed, in a them sleep or whatever. You know, it must some foul play go on. Him involved in something or something. Me no know. I mean I accuse him, you see me, but why would a man just come hurt you if you're innocent, you know, and a day before him baby born? Why? You get me? Can it be related to jealousy or ex-boyfriend or whatever? Me no know. You see me? Me no know my viewers and subscribers, but it's sad, you know, it's wicked man. Never John was started, the youth are going born now. You see me? I mean I say John, every day I hear violence are increase, you know. I mean new single that I'm gonna leave the link when you can go check out. I look at demo video. You know what I mean? I edit myself and thing. When you can go watch it and give me the feedback, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna shoot the video officially. I'm just waiting on the director and the video personnel to get back to me, you know? Yeah. So it's sad my viewers and subscribers. It's sad man. Sad. You know, I do all that song with me and say, Daddy, you know, true story with my mother and father. You know, when I grew up come see my father. My father passed away when I was 3. I say, when I was just a little lad, I asked my mother, where is my dad? She hugged me and replied, son, your dad died. As she consoled me, she cried. She said, my son, your daddy died when you were young. They took our breadwinner life with one bullet from their gun. Trust me, when time I drop this, a real story, you know, and hopefully get some good support, you know. But viewers and subscribers, I just want to say condolence to the families, you know what I mean, the baby mother. It's going to be say, where should I go tell the youth when the youth born? Wicked channel star, sad man, sad. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, all heap of love and blessed that do that for make on the no star. Condolence to the family then again. John star, sad man, this is a sad one. Yeah man, and to the youths them, we have to just be careful, you know. Be careful how we want to say around people who you hang around with. Because sometimes I know you do things in our people you hang around with you don't know where them are going with. So just be careful. You know what I mean? And just be safe, live good and live in love and peace, man. And to the youths them, I'm going to please stop the crime and try to live good, man. There's a way out, you see me? There is a way out, you see it. I don't mean the man of peace, and I just want to say big up everybody star. Unity is strength, you know. Right now, them say World Cup are going and the crime reduce. Look like it all fist boil up back again. And we don't want that star. We don't want that star.
Me a pray for all the shatters with the rifle pon them chest. Oh yes. Me a pray for all of the sucklings them pon the breast. Oh yes. Me a pray for all the emperors and all the empress. Oh yes. Me a pray for all the lion them and all the lioness.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.